You can project or wrap a selected curve onto a surface or a set of surfaces. When you're projecting a curve, depending on the shape of the surface and the angle of the directional reference plane, the length of the projected curve can increase or decrease from its original size. Let's perform some projection examples on this curve. We'll get to wraps with the other curve later. Select the curve and start the Project tool. Then select the surface the curve will be projected onto. In this case, the wavy surface shown here. By default, the curve was projected in a direction normal to the curve sketch plane. And because of the curve of the surface, the length of the projected curve is increased. Head up to the dashboard, and you can activate the direction collector and select another plane as the direction reference. Notice that the shape of the projected curve changed when it was projected normal to datum plane DTM2. Now let's talk about wraps. The wrap feature can be used to wrap a curve onto a ruled surface, like a sticker being placed onto an aluminum can. The length of a wrapped curve doesn't change in length as it is applied to a surface. To wrap a curve onto this surface, start the Wrap tool from the Editing Group drop-down menu. Then select the curve to be wrapped. By default, the curve is wrapped about the center of the selected curve. But if the selected curve is a sketch, you can edit its definition and add a Sketcher coordinate system to control the position of the wrap. With the Sketcher coordinate system added to the sketched curve, you can now edit the definition of the wrap feature to be positioned about the coordinate system, rather than the center of the sketch. Whether you're projecting or wrapping curves onto selected surfaces, Creo Parametric enables you to do it in just a few clicks.